Okay, so we see what price did. You see our stops were not touched, right? But you see the pressure that price actually gave to those who would have been in this position. In this video, I'm going to show you how to refine your order blocks for sniper entries. So ensure that you stay tuned because you don't want to miss out from this video, because I'm going to be doing a in-depth training on how you can refine 1 hour order block and probably hour time frame order blocks, right? So this was a trade that we took yesterday, and this trade was sent almost in every of my platform on Instagram. You can see it here. This was the trade. It was sent for free. Look at the timing. It was sent all for free. It was also sent into my trading view. It was uploaded on my trading view. You can see it right here, right? This is my trading view account, right? So you can see that it was actually sent here as well. And notwithstanding, I also sent it to the free Telegram channel as well. So here is the aftermath on trading view as well. So you can see exactly how this thing played out, and it actually played out perfectly as we expected. So what I expect that to happen is maybe this week that we're entering now, I expect that this liquidity should be taken out. So knowing when this liquidity will be taken out is very, very important. So price might react off of this, but we see liquidity was taken out of this area. Well, anyway, I'll soon take you to my real chart, and I'm going to show you on the live chat. So make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so ensure that you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel in case you are new to us, and don't forget to leave a comment. By the way, guys, good news, guys. Now remember, I said something in my last video, and if you remember the last video which I did my giveaway on, right? So I said for you to win the next giveaway, you need to like, comment, and you must be a subscriber, and you must make sure that you watch the video like up to like 5 minutes also, right? Now I'm going to pick another winner today. Now today's winner, I'm going to add today's winner into the FX the VIP channel, right? So ensure that for you to win the next giveaway, guys, make sure that you watch all my videos, like, comment, be a subscriber, like, comment, be a subscriber, any of my platform, because I might pick giveaway winners from any platform. Last one I picked giveaway winners from my Instagram, which is from this particular post, right? So that's exactly what I did right here. Those who commented on this post, I will pick the winner. So any of my posts, I might likely pick winners from there, from the comment. I might even start from trading view, because today I saw a comment on my trading view, and I really appreciated it. Look at that, right? So that was the comment, right? So I'm also going to be doing giveaway across my social media platforms. Remember I said that. So before we dive right into today's video of teaching you the order block refinement entry for sniper entries, I want to do a free giveaway. So I want to pick a video that has done really well since when I announced the giveaway, because I want to compensate those that actually followed the stuff. I said like, comment, be a subscriber, like, comment, be a subscriber. Alright, so that's exactly what I will do. And another giveaway is coming up, and that giveaway is going to be, I'm going to give you free funding account, a profile free funding account. I'm going to give it out for free. So to win that giveaway, what you need to do is like, comment on every of my video across my platform till when I pick that giveaway. So you never can tell when I'm going to do that, and I pick that randomly from any video or from any of my platform. So when you see it, like, comment, that's all you need for you to get your giveaway. All right, so let's pick from this video. By the way, in case you don't have by the way, in case you've not watched this video, this is a powerful video. It talks about how you can get your best entries. Notwithstanding, this one was when I taught you about exactly how I take my trade and how I get out of my trade, right? So let's see this video. This is the video. The reason why I'm seeing the uptrend is not because I'm seeing these big candles, okay? This is one of the video, then probably this one. What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to pass my forex fund 100k account in just 8 days. Alright, so I will be picking a giveaway from this video, I think, and maybe from this video. So we're going to be doing one for this video for today. Then the video you are watching right now, like and comment. Alright, like and comment, and I'm going to pick a giveaway winner as time goes on from this video as well, right? So let's go ahead and pick our winner, then we'll dive right in without wasting much of the time. Today's video is going to be very powerful, okay? So this is a random comment picker. As you can see, it's a comment picker. So we're going to go ahead and pick, I'm going to filter, let's filter duplicate users, right? So no, I'm going to unfilter it so you can comment as many times as you can, all right, as many times as you want. And I'm going to leave everything at default, and let's pick a winner. So if you are the winner, just shout me out on Telegram, and I'm going to send you, I'm going to add you up into the FXTD VIP, okay? So so far we have about just 24 comments. So let's pick the winner from those comments. All right, where are you? Okay, so we are going to start raffle and pick random winner, right? So let's go ahead. And boom, congratulations Bliss Fred, right? Is that Bliss Fred? Yeah, Bliss Fred, congratulations. He said, oh man, this is scammer. No, we're going to pick another person, right? So, and a little disclaimer here guys, ensure that any comment you see in that talks about investment, don't invest. They are all scammers. So this is scammer. So what we want to do is we're going to pick another winner. Let's refresh the page and let's pick another winner.
Shit just got real.
Let's paste our video again. Pick another winner. Okay, not gotten comment. Let's get the comment. 24 comments, and let's do that again. And boom, if we Omoro, go ahead and send me a DM, and I'm going to add you. So you are the winner. Congratulations, right? If we Omoro, right? Congratulations, guys. So that's it, guys, for the day. Ensure that you like and comment in order for you to be the next free giveaway winner, right? So guys, without further ado, let's dive right in. All right, so enough of that. So today I'm going to show you exactly how we can, refine our order blocks and get perfect entries the way we should. Okay, so what I will do right now is, now I may not explain this. I'm not going to explain this particular entry. Let's just go straight to what we have today. So I'm going to use the replay feature just to teach you a few things. So this is the 1 hour. So we're going to assume that you want to enter trade based on this order block. Let's assume that you are entering this trade based on this order block right now. So I want to share with you what you do. Right, so I'm going to take that out. So let's say you've seen price right here in the 1 hour. What's going to be your entry confirmation on the lower time frame? So simple, we scale down to the 15 minutes, right? And we can also scale down to the 5 minutes, but I don't know if the 5 minutes is going to allow me to do this. If it does, okay, perfect. Right, so on the 5 minutes, what we see here is this. Take note of this, guys. We see that there was a liquidity takeout. There was a liquidity takeout here, and price was kind of consolidating around this level, right? So all these are parameters that the market makers actually use to grab stops off of the market, right? So in order for you not to be stopped before price finally goes to your direction, the easiest way for you to do this is first identify that there is already a stop on. All right, so in this scenario we see that this liquidity was taken out, it was grabbed by these bullish candles. You can see how massive they were now, and aside from that, these bullish candles actually pushed a lot of people into the wrong side of the market before going down to the original direction. But there's no confirmation yet, and one of the way for you to get confirmation is going to be once you see there is a break in market structure. So how do you know where the break actually occurred? Now you can see this high, you see this where you see this one, right? So ask yourself the question, which is the last range, where is the last peak before there was a higher high or a higher low, or before the stop on, right? Ask yourself that question. So what you want to do, like in this scenario now, we can see that price kind of created stuff like this, but remember that we are only looking for this inside the 1 hour box, right? You are looking for this inside the 1 hour box, and now we are now in the box. So inside the box, which one is the most recent or the last swing, right? Which is this particular one, right? So what you do is you can now project this. Let's use a better zoom. So now we'll wait patiently. So let's assume we'll wait patiently for this to occur, for there to be a break in market structure, because what's happening right now is accumulation, right? The market makers are accumulating orders for the takeout, right? Because they want a lot of people to get into the wrong side of the market. So to be very safe and to confirm if it's going to go to your direction, you wait for a break in market structure, right? So one of the ways to do that is, let's see what price does. You wait patiently for that level to break, and finally it was broken with full momentum candle. But remember, this is 5 minutes. It's better you get on the 15 minutes. So on the 15 minutes, you see that it has been broken. So where is going to be your sniper entry? This level can be where you enter your, where you can get your sniper entry from, this level, right? Your stop loss could be below this other block here, which is 8 pips. But the question is, we actually don't know yet if price has done everything it wants to do. So price might still go up and do what it wants to do. But what we see based on the 15 minutes, we don't see any area that price should go up for, right? Structure have been broken here. We see there's a break in market structure, so we definitely have to wait for a return to other block before we enter our sell position, right? So I don't know, it could be here, right? But to be really safe, to have a safe stop loss, you just have to place your stop above that 1 hour high, right? But for the purpose of this video, let's just say we take our trades here. All you can do, really, you can take your trades here, which is just 8 pips, or maybe let's say 10 pips, right? So for this, there are 1, 2, 3, this reward. But if we project it to this low, that's about 1 to 6 risk to reward ratio, right? So the question is, are we going to be filled on this? Now we are going to see how price reacts. So let's go to the 5 minutes to see how price is going to react on the 5 minutes. Now based on the 5 minutes, we see that there was a kind of rejection off of that other block, right? So we'll also see, we can also see another break in market structure, yeah, kind of break in market structure. And at the same time, we see there is a trendline phantom at that level, right? So let's see, and right, let's see what happens if it's going to get touched, and we're tapped in, and let's see how it goes. Now looking at this, we see that okay, we are good. The price should not actually cross this level if we really want to, because this is the ideal setup for this particular trade that we see right here. So if you got stop out, well, you can join again, you can join again. That's if only you have confirmed that okay, this is going to the downside. That's after all your analysis have been done, right? So like in this scenario now, let's see the 15 minutes once again. On the 15 minutes, wow, okay, that place is right. So this other block ought to hold price, right? If that other block fails to hold price, then probably it's because there is a fair value gap, maybe on the 3 minutes. This replay feature might not take me allow us to go up down to the 3 minutes or the 1 minute, because we did this based on the 1 hour, right? So let's see how it gets filled. So these are 15 minutes, and we are seeing that there's kind of rejection at that level, but the market makers might still push up, of which just happened now, and you see it, and boom. Now most of you, when I tell you a few things, you think I don't know what I'm saying. I have experiences in the market, and I know what price might likely do. So that's why, you know, when people begin to say I use 2 pips stop loss, 3 pips stop loss, right, clap for them, right? How often does that actually work? Now I know it works. I normally use it before. I do use it before. If you have been following me for a very long time, you should know that I used such before. In case you are in doubt, just go and watch my videos on about months ago. You are going to see them, right? So now, but with experience, I'm able to know that okay, possibility the market makers might, because they are aware that some people might be taking their sell there. So what should I do? I have to take my stops. Instead of that, maybe take it 15 pips higher. Like I said, it could be 5 pips higher than my initial area where I don't actually expect price to be taken out, especially when your broker has a lot of spread. You know, the spreads of a broker. I remember I said it is safer. The safe stop loss is safe when it's above this 1 hour high, just like what I said the other time. And if you take that side, that's about 20 pips, right? So it has reduced to 1 to 3 risk to reward. But the most important thing is that you are going to be filled in this thing, right? So that's very, very important. So this is one of the way you can actually get sniper entries from the 1 hour time frame or from any hard time frame. Now once you are able to detect your area of interest, once you're able to detect your area of interest, you can now scale down, you mark out that area. So this round about 34 pips before the retracement, right? So if I were to be in that trade, I would have taken something off and allow the others to run, right? So that's how we do it every single day without any hassle, right? So you don't have to take 1 to 100 risk to reward before you become a successful trader. All you need to do is you need consistency and exactly how to go about it. So that's one of the way you can actually refine your entries from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. Now the same thing applies to when you are doing this on, even if it is 4 hour, same thing applies to it. So let me take out this stuff. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hours. If we can do and if I can give you an example of what I'm trying to say. Okay, so like in this scenario, let's see if we can have a perfect example. All right, so I think this is going to be a perfect example, this one here. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to, let's go ahead and take that out, and I don't know if it's going to allow us to go to up to the 5 minute time frame. In case it doesn't, then we'll leave it the way it is, right? So now this is remember, this is the 4 hour time frame box. So we can now go, let's assume that we'll find that area as our point of interest. We can now go to the 1 hour and we look for price to get in, right? Price is now in, so we'll go to the lower time frame, say the 15 minutes, right? Because this is 4 hour, right? You can go on the 15 minutes and look for perfect entry setup. Now we look for, first, one thing you want to look for you want to make sure that liquidity have been taken out. So once liquidity have been taken out, then you should have a little bit confidence that price should go to the direction you want it to go. So what's happening now is called creeping trend, and this is a trap for retail traders, those who are trading trend lines or maybe the channel, right? So you see many of them will be entry, buying and selling until it's going to fail them, hopefully. So what I see here is I can see that liquidity, I think the kind of liquidity was taken out at this level, here, right? So we should expect price to go to the downside. But remember that we have to wait for more confirmations for that to happen, and one of the confirmation will be here, right? So we're going to remove their channel, right? So let's see. You see that level was never broken, so we are not getting in yet, right? So that's exactly how you refine your entries from higher time frame to lower time frame every single time, and you should be good. If you can perfect this, you should be okay with it. Okay, let's see. Our network wouldn't allow me to actually wanted to show you guys this example, one more example before I call it a day. So now what we see here is, you can see, look at that high, that's an high, and all these are levels that we should be looking for a selling position. Why? Because we just have to wait for the premium levels to occur. So once the premium level has reached, okay, we see that there's a break here, already, network. Now we've actually seen that there's a kind of break in market structure at this point. So what we'll do is we check at the left, look at your left hand side and see if, wow, network. So I will just explain this and we'll call it a day, guys. Alright, so we look at the left hand side and see if there was liquidity that was taken out, if liquidity was taken out actually. So if liquidity was taken out, then it's going to be a perfect setup for you to enter a selling position. So the same thing that you do for the selling position is same thing you do for the buying as well. So if you find an inverted setup, just the way you can see on the selling now, on the buying side you just take your buy position as well. That's exactly how you do it, and you should be good to go. All right, so we see structure have been broken twice, right, which has given us a selling confirmation. Actually, selling confirmation started from this level. Now the stop loss is really huge, right? So let's see. But one thing, I don't know the time of the day we are in right now, so that's another issue. I don't know if this is Asian, London or New York, so I'm going to do this blindly, so don't blame me for it. Okay, so we're going to be taking just 15 pip stops, and we'll target this low first because there's liquidity here. But remember that this is a 4-hour box, right? So if we go to, let me go to 1 hour and see what price is doing. Right, on the 1 hour, this level here, this is the safe zone for stop loss, right? But let's just take that the way we've seen it already. So should price continue to the downside? Well, we hope so, because we see that there was already a break in structure. What about, was there a break? There was no actual break in the 1 hour, but on the 15 minutes we have seen a break already. So let's see if we can get filled, right? Even if we don't get filled, by now you should be able to get the idea of what I'm trying to say, right? So all these first, take notes, two things here. First, the channel traders would have been taken out, those who are buying selling off of the channel as it bounces, right? So liquidity was grabbed to the downside, so it could be a push to the upside, and based on the 4 hour we are expecting a sell, right? But in a short frame it could be a buying retracement, but let's see how it goes. Okay, so we see what price did. You see our stops were not touched, right? But you see the pressure that price actually gave to those who would have been in this position, would have been, maybe some people would have sold here, some would have sold here, some would have sold here, but look at the pressure price gave to them, right? Pushed up, came back, broke structure, right? But most people will also be buying this. Why? Because they want to buy very, very cheap in order for them to get a huge discount, right? But what happened to price? Based on the fact that we've seen that there was a break in market structure right here on the 15 minutes, and we see that liquidity has been taken out by this by the market makers from the channel traders, right? We see that there's a confirmation that there should be a move to the downside, and with the fact that the 4 hour has gone to a point of interest, so that's something you need to consider. And you can see that's about 40 pips, 40 pips back. That's about yeah, 40 pips also, right? So, and we see that price actually broke through it. Why? And it went deeper. One of the reasons is, you see, oh my, that's massive, right? So that's massive. So if I project this now, wonderful, this cannot be in a single day. It's not possible, right? But this is a possibility of what you can get right from your trade, if only you've understood the ICT concept fully and you've understood the order block refinement fully. Now in FX Studio Academy, we teach you these things in depthly. I personally teach you, and I hold you by the end exactly how you can do this, how you can be able to make consistent profit off of this. All right, so it's something that you can do and become master of. All right, so now we can see, if we calculate that, that's about 1 to 8 also. But now let's assume I was in this trade. What I do is I'll make sure that I take something off. Let's say 1 to 1, I'm out, I'm taking something off, I will leave the others running. That's exactly how I manage my trades, and you might want to learn that. Okay, so that's a secret for maybe those in the VIP for now, but with time some of you might learn that from me, right? But you need to understand these things. These things are very, very important. This is exactly how you get sniper entries every single time as a smart money trader. So guys, like the video. Remember, our giveaway is still available. To win the giveaway, all you have to do from now on, any video I upload, like, comment, watch up to 5 minutes, like, comment, watch up to 5. But remember, you must be a subscriber as well. Okay, then when I'm going to pick the winner for the funded traders, when I want to give away a funding account, then I'm going to pick a winner from any of these videos from this moment till that time I'm going to do it. Alright, so you don't want to miss out, guys. So ensure that you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Watch the videos on the end screen, and God bless you and peace.